Hello everybody, it's Dr. Ogechi Sylvia Ife-Ezinihitte ODOCHA. I'm about to do a village vlog. I always feel so happy each time I come to the village. This is my hometown, Ife-Ezinihitte Mbaise, and this is our family compound. To my right is the home of my granddad, Chief SopranoDoctor, who departed this world in 1993, and he lays to rest there. That's the family mausoleum. He lays to rest there with my grandmom of blessed memory. When we were small, this compound was really big. We used to have lots of flowers, but now we're growing some bananas there. So there's some banana trees there. And this is actually, I want to believe that this is, I think this is actually avocado pear, I think. And then we had a stint at having pumps put there to give free water to the village. But I think they came and fought here once and that was all smashed up. This is actually a decorative plant. I really don't know the name. I've forgotten my botany. This is another decorative plant. You can see that we have a lot of trees here. This is actually my granddad's house. He built this house in the 70s. This is also one of the oldest houses. The significant thing about this compound is during the Biafran War, before all these houses were, that one there, the bungalow there, which now serves as the house for the security personnel and their families. That was where my granddad started from. So that was the only building here, and the whole of this space was for Biafrans who were fleeing the war. My granddad just opened up the whole compound and people came in, sought refuge. People found their wives, their husbands here, children were married, children were born here. So that's the balcony upstairs. He would always sit up there, you know, when we were much younger, would play up there. That's the balcony upstairs. So you can see examples of old sofas. Old sofas. Old chairs. You would see designs that are no longer, you can't even see them anymore, you know. Burglary proof designs that you don't see anymore. So yeah, we used to have an Udara tree here. We still have one. So we used to have an Udara tree here. This is one. This is the daughter of the old Udara tree that was here. This is a newer Udara tree. There was one that used to be here. I fell out of that tree so many times. I will fall out. My mom will punish me. Don't climb the tree again, for where I will still climb. So we still got some trees here. This is a pawpaw tree that's here. Cassava. Yeah. This is a cassava. You can always tell the distinctive leaf pattern. This is cassava. This is cocoyam. This is pawpaw. Some people call it papaya. That's mango. That's mango. This is a pawpaw, a small pawpaw there. So yeah, we used to have a very big Udara tree here. I had such an affinity to that tree. It's gone now. It's gone with my childhood. No, it's not gone with my child. Nothing can steal my childhood memories. They're here. They're here. So this is the Yardman's house. So in our kindred, I'm from Umuro. Umuro is my kindred. The three brothers were ODOCHA, which is us. To my left is the Isiguso. That's their own should I say hamlet, or their own family house. And then to my right, the Wigways there over the fence. So we all kind of live together. Across the road, our childhood friends, Obioha, they lived there. So yeah, it's interesting to see how the compound has contracted over time. This compound used to be so big. You know, we'd ride our bicycles and run. The compound is still very spacious. I love space, and you know, it's still very spacious. We still have a lot of families here with us, relations that have come and have stayed over time. I've got my little friend there. She's with her mom. They're doing some planting and, you know, breaking off some palm kernels. You won't believe that when I came in 2021 for my medical outreach, she was a baby. She's the baby. I actually put my stethoscope around her neck and said she's going to be a doctor. She's a big girl now. She's a big girl. She's her mom. So my granddad built this house in such a way that all his children would have a place. So we looked at it from the front. So on this section was where his second son was actually supposed to live. So I wouldn't go into the house because it's locked up anyways. I just thought I should do a tour of the outside. So my granddad is a lover of the Catholic faith. This is me, SopranoDoctor. This is part 2 of my vlog. So I was doing my other vlog about our ancestral compound, and then my phone went off and I couldn't get electricity. So this particular vlog is going to focus on the trees in our compound. This is more of an educational video about the importance of trees, an introduction to the trees in Igbo land for those of you who have never crossed the river Niger. This is an invitation for you to come and see the beautiful trees. Trees are so important. In fact, in the NHS now, we talk about tree hugging. A Chinese medical publication talked about the benefit of spending time in the forest, spending time in trees. They say people actually literally hug trees to feel well. You know, that the trunk of trees, as old as they are, tell a story. You can imagine that this trunk of this is a mango tree here. You can imagine all that's going on in the center of this tree. For those of us who did biology, if I come in close, you can see the ants. So there's an ecosystem here. This is a sort of a symbiotic relationship. These ants live in this tree. They get their nutrients from this tree. And what does the tree get from the ants? The ants will eat up any pests that want to, or molds that want to, you know, cause this tree disease. So I haven't even gone far talking about the benefits of trees, and we've already seen an example of what trees can do. Yeah, so there's an ant colony down there. I know so many people watching this video may not even have gone to the village. Talk more of seeing ant colonies. You know, you can see their house here. When we were small, we used to use broomsticks and try to get to the center. So they're trying to build a house here. Look at them. There's that Igbo song. Oh my goodness, see them. There's that Igbo song that says Igbo Idanda. So when ants come together, they achieve so much with their unity. So this is a mango tree. It's not in season right now. If not, it would have been heavy with lots of mangoes. It's not in season. So this is a mango tree. This is an udara tree. Some people call it Igbo rose apple. I call it udara. I'm not sure why we have to interpret these things in English. It is udara. That's what it is. So we've got the barn here for our goats. We've got goats. If you could smell through this video, you would actually smell the goats. They've got a distinct smell. Say hello. See them. Say hello. Hello. Do you want to sing with me? People are looking in fascination. Sing along. You won't sing along. You just they look. You just they look. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? Hiya, what's your name? You're the white goat among them. And you're the baby goat. So you're so interested in what I've got. Do you have anything to say to the viewers? Do you have anything to say to the viewers around the world? What is it? What is life like as a goat, a baby goat? Right. Nothing to say. I'll leave you be. Sorry for interrupting your lunch. So these are the species of goats that have got horns. This baby goat, the horns are tiny, but you can see the black goat behind. He's got horns that are bent, and then the white goat has got little horns sticking out. Yeah, so that's the goats and I.